Dumbbell row, a great exercise for training not only that rear shoulder, but also that lat muscle located right underneath that armpit. When we perform this exercise, we're gonna make sure we use a light to moderate weight so that we keep a nice, good posture and straight back. Once you've chosen your weight, you wanna make sure that you have your feet in line with your hips. Okay, pushing that butt back, I'm gonna put a soft bend in my knee, just about 3/4 of the way. I'm gonna make sure that the dumbbell starts slightly in front of me. As I keep my chin down to my chest and my eyes facing forward, I'm gonna pull the dumbbells from in front of me to my rib cage, pulling the elbows up to the ceiling, maximize contraction, squeeze, control the weight coming back down. Now, as you perform this exercise, there are a few things you wanna make sure you pay close attention to. As I'm pushing my butt back and getting into that hinge position, I'm using my lower back to stabilize this weight. So as I perform this exercise, I want to make sure that I'm not rocking or swaying, okay? Because that means the weight may be a little too difficult for me and I should lighten it up. The other thing you want to pay close attention to is your elbow placement and the trajectory of where your elbow is going. If I bring the dumbbells too close to my body and I pull straight up to the ceiling, I'm going to be shrugging my shoulders, which I do not want to do. I want to work less on the shoulder shrug and more on the lat engagement by pulling the elbows back. Okay, so dumbbells start slightly in front of me, pull the elbows back, make sure the dumbbells get close to the rib cage or that hip pocket.